Finally, the dream starts becoming a reality. It's 2023 and the establishment of am.co.za's new head office in Sunnyrock, Bedfordview is well on its way. And in this vlog, we keep you posted on the exciting journey to completion, as well as inform you of job opportunities and special sales developments along the way. Let's start with the technical department. This entire floor space is dedicated to Machine Africa, AM's technical arm. And whilst much is still to be done with regards to the aesthetics, the technical team is well nested and fully operational. Unique individual working stations are the latest addition, and as you can see, the team has growth in mind. So, if you are technically minded, this might be an opportunity for you. Just keep watching. Moving up, the next floor is the new showroom and training center area. Again, much needs to be done here, but as far as work goes, it is already business as usual. With the alterations underway, some interesting items were uncovered, like 2 of these walk-in safe doors and frames. And a huge safe. And then there is even these CO2 cylinders. Do you like them? Do you need them? Well, come on in and take a look, and let's talk. One floor up again, and the sales office is near completion. The reason for the large number of sales cubicles is because am.co.za is growing, and therefore it is in the process of expanding its sales team as well. Something you might be interested in as well. The other half of the floor is dedicated to parts and spares. And there is still ample space available. Now let's go down to the warehouse. It's huge. It's really big, and lots of work is still to be done. So far, a collections and dispatch team has been established. Massive steel shelving has been erected, and more are under construction. Now, you can imagine for yourself what it must take to install a security system in such a large place, all linked to a central control room. That too is underway, as is the individualized access control system. So, it's work, and more work to be done. To recap then, whilst am.co.za is fully functional, it is in the process of finalizing its vision for each department. And with that comes all sorts of job opportunities, from sales to warehouse to technical to logistics to maintenance and much more. And if you are interested in the opportunity, you're welcome to send your CV to cv@am.co.za. Also, if you are interested in the odds and sods that AM has no use of, you can just come in and speak to sales. Thank you for watching this video, and there will be many more like it to follow.
2023 marks the 10th anniversary of am.co.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunnyrock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. am.co.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. am.co.za. Achievement matters.